Now let's see this question. If I1 equal to integral 0 to pi f of cos square x dx and I2 equal to integral 0 to 3 pi f of cos square x dx, then which of the following is true? I1 equal to I2, I2 equal to 3 into I1, I2 equal to 3 into I1, none. So we are going to use the property, this one. So see this, look at this property. Now whenever you have to find out integral 0 to n a f of x dx, you can write it as if it is n into integral 0 to a f of x dx whenever f of x is equal to f of a plus x. Got it? So whenever the function is repeating itself, then you can use it. So in other way, I'm just taking this one, see this. Now if you have a function like this from here to here and also from here to here, let's say if the function is repeating itself like this, okay. Now if you have to find out, let us say this is 0, this is a, this is 2a and this is 3a, right? Whenever you want to find out the area under this curve from 0 to 3a, you could have broken it down as 3 into integral 0 to a when the function is repeating itself this way, right? Which means whatever value is here, if you add a and if you go there, it should be there. And whatever the value of the function is here, if you add a to it, which means here it should have the same value, right? And whatever the function is having here, it should have the same value here, which means for every difference of a, you should have the same thing. Then only you can use that, okay? Now if you observe this, you need to check this. Integral 0 to pi is given and integral 0 to 3 pi is given. Now can I write it as 3 into integral 0 to pi? That is the question. So when can you write it? You can write it only when f of x is equal to f of a plus x, right? Now what is f of x here? Cos square x. Now I want to find out whether it is equal to, I don't know, right? Whether it is equal to a plus x or not. So what is a here? It is pi, isn't it? 0 to pi is given. Therefore I need to check this, cos square pi plus x. Now what do we know about pi, cos pi plus x? Cos pi plus x is minus cos x, but then square is given, therefore minus cos x whole square, which is cos square x. Yes, both are equal, right? Therefore definitely we can substitute it. So what is that? If it is from 0 to 3 pi, you could write it as 3 into 0 to pi, right? Which means I2 can be written as 3 into I1. So this is the answer. I2 can be written as 3 into I1. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral. which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.